Hello YouTubers, this is the Slade234 and I would like to show you how to make a alarm clock on your computer. Well, we go here. Yeah, I'm messing up already. But you go to Start, go to Computer, right click it, go to Manage. You got all this stuff right here. Go to Task Schedule. Go to nothing. You can go to Task Schedule Library. As you can see somewhere around here, I have an alarm clock. And now you're going to click on Create Basic Task. You're going to name it whatever you want to name it. Here, Slade234. Description, YouTube. Next, you can put whatever you want in the description and everything. Click have it on daily, unless you're a person who gets up weekly, monthly, or only one time, which I think that's impossible. Well, weekly, I can see. But anyway, next, just set it for whatever time you want. You don't really have to mess with this, as far as I know. I never had to. But click Next, Start a Program, Browse, and you're gonna wanna pick some sort of sound that you can use. I'm gonna use my Dead Fred from my Creepypasta. Finish. Click Open the Properties, blah blah blah. Have you say that crap? Sorry, I'm dyslexic. You got all this. If you're a person who logs out of their computer, you're gonna want to have that clicked. Whatever you guys want to do. I generally have it set to this because I'm constantly logged on. This is where you can change everything. So like if test fails, 1 minute, you start up to 99 times. Fill on, yeah. Oh, I don't want to stop the task. The task is blah blah blah. Do not start new. Yeah. Other than that, I think you're done. And just click OK. Go find your alarm. Oh, whoop! Don't double click. Run click, blah blah, run click, right click, press run, then and see, sorry if you can't get it to work. I am on a Windows 7, so I have no idea what it is for Mac. I think Vista might be the same, I'm not sure. Or Acer or HP, I have no idea with those computers. But like eMachines, I have them eMachines Windows 7, blah 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 blah. Okay, but anyway, now that you have that done, I want to show you one more thing. I'm going to put this in the screen, blah 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 blah. This, as you can see, my screen recorder. I used to use Fraps, but it stopped working after the new update. So I'll put a link in the description below. It's blah blah Inbixsoft. It's a free screen capture. You click save file and save. Click run. Yes. Then next. I'm not gonna do that because I already have it uninstalled, but you guys get it. So yes. Cancel. Yeah, see, since I already had it. But number of colors, so you have all this. Options, you got all that. Oh well. Whoop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed. I will be trying to put up more videos since this right here is starting to work more. But yeah. I hope you all enjoyed this and have a good day. Peace.